Want to keep your Behance brilliance offline? Today, I'm showing you how to download your Behance portfolio as a PDF, making your amazing work accessible anywhere. First, navigate to your Behance portfolio page in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your Adobe account, so you have access to all of your projects. Next, go to your browser's menu in most browsers. This is located in the top right corner. Look for 3 dots or lines or check your browser's file menu. From the menu, find and select the print option. This might also be under file, then print. Don't worry, we're not actually printing just yet. A print dialog box will pop up. This is the important part. Instead of selecting a physical printer, look for the destination or printer option. Click on the drop-down and choose Save as PDF. This option is available in almost all browsers. Now, review the layout settings. You may want to adjust the margins or scale to fit your portfolio nicely on the PDF pages. Orientation can also be changed from portrait to landscape. In the print window, select More Settings and make sure to check the boxes for background graphics so the images and style of your portfolio are retained. Once you're happy with the preview and settings, click the Save button. Choose a location on your computer to save the PDF file and give it a descriptive name. And that's it. Your Behance portfolio is now saved as a PDF. You can open it, share it, or print it as needed. Now you can easily showcase your incredible Behance creations offline.